So I could not find another washer with a small hole in it like this. And instead of running to the store tonight, what I've decided to do, and I do not recommend you do this. If you remember, I saved this wire from another project, and on the end of this wire it's got this terminal that I'm not going to use. I'm going to go ahead and sacrifice that. I'm going to go ahead and I am going to cut the circle part of the terminal off. Alright, I'm going to get rid of the wire for now. And I'm going to use this for my temporary washer. And I think that's going to work until I have time to get another washer. To be honest with you, who knows if that'll ever really happen. So